Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Rewards points fast in 2026. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on the main webpage for rewards.bing.com. And so from here it's showing me the points and I have gathered just today 220 available points. I have redeemed the rest. So step one, you're going to make sure that Microsoft Edge is going to be your default browser. So all you have to do is to click right here on the start menu and search for default browser. And so from here you can see the first option is choose a default web browser. And now from here you can see in the web browser section, you might have it as Google Chrome like many people. So click on it. And then from here you're going to click on Microsoft Edge and make sure that this is set as your default web browser. Once that is done, then you will have many opportunities. The first one is to simply search. The more you search on Bing, the more you gain points. So as you can see, I can just search for football. I can search for, Big Mac. I can search for whatever you want. For example, Gummy Tutorials, which is our channel. You can search for whatever you want and that will increase your points. So now if I'm going to reload, then as you can see, we have going to just make some points just for enable search bar. And from here, we're going to earn from 100 points. And so next step is going to be earning from all these challenges that are below. So you have daily set, you can turn referrals, you can do magic tricks from here, you can just take a tour, start earning points, and as you can see, it's going to tell you that you can earn points by just pinning and starting from here. You can also do some challenges. For example, you can just keep it safe, family and friends, set some passwords, get some dinner ideas, just have a new web hero, play games that are all under here. Another method that is going to be from here, we're going to search for the Microsoft Store. And once you go to the Microsoft Store and purchase anything in the Microsoft Store or simply download any games and just be active on it, this will increase your points tremendously. Another method you can do is to go right here and search for example, Spotify Premium. And so once you go to Spotify Premium and go right here, as you can see, once you interact with it and get your own Microsoft Premium from here in the Spotify, this will also gain you some points and they have some programs with it if you do it in the Bing browser. You can get a free trial by using just a credit card, and as you can see from here, if you translate it, then it's going to show you that you can get 2 months for free and this will increase your Microsoft points. Another method, you can go right here and search for bonus streak Microsoft. And so it's going to show right here for the bonus streak and how it works. All you have to do is to always keep on going on Bing and searching and getting points every single day. So the reward streak will give you 45 bonus after 3 days of completing your daily set. After 8 days, you'll get 75 points for 13 days. And after 20 days, you'll get 105 points, same for 27 days. And finally, after 34 days, you'll get 150 points bonus. And so to complete the streak, all you have to do is to simply go to your Microsoft Rewards and do your daily tasks, which are going to be right here. So daily set, once you complete these and do it every single day, after a month, you'll have over 300 extra points just as a bonus while you're still gaining points every single day on the daily set. So these are really good. One last thing you can do is to search for your Xbox Game Pass. If you have Xbox Game Pass and you go for Microsoft Rewards in it, then from here, once you play games in the Microsoft Game Pass right here and rewards, then whatever game that you play from here, play, shop and redeem in your Microsoft Store, you can just play on your games for Microsoft Premium. And then from here, once you complete accomplishments or just finish achievements in those games, then it will automatically increase your points right here. And as you can see, just from now, we have increased over 20 points by doing some of these methods. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.